Stacking multiple wide-angle, depth and zoom cameras on phones is in trend. Of the different types of extra lenses that we have on phones, the telephoto lens or zoom camera is what we love the most and tend to use most frequently. The ability to peek at distant objects is not only exhilarating but also quite useful in number of practical scenarios. In fact, with most phones using wide-angle lenses on primary cameras, a bit of zoom or crop is needed for the captured image to match what your eyes naturally see. So if you're looking for a phone with the best optical zoom, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 best amazing smartphones that comes with the best optical zoom. So do watch the video till then and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Eco 7 Legend. Eco 7 Legend features a triple rear camera setup which includes a 48 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.79, a 13 megapixel telephoto camera with a 2x optical zoom and an aperture of f2.46, and a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with an aperture of f2.2. Selfie duties are carried out by a 16 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.0 which takes beautiful selfies. The camera interface is typical of what we have seen in the Vivo and Eco smartphones so far, and it comes with all the important controls available at a single tap. Portrait photos taken from these cameras are very sharp as seen in the reviews, with a good edge detection and great dynamic range. And autofocus is also quick on this camera. The Eco 7 Legend is quite hard to ignore in the premium smartphone segment. The only other smartphone that comes close in terms of raw power is the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. While the Mi 11X Pro has a 108 megapixel primary camera, it does not offer optical image stabilization and charging is a bit slower at 33 watt. This phone comes with a 66 watt fast charging support, and one more exciting thing about this smartphone is its processor. It comes powered with a Snapdragon 888 processor. Google Pixel 6 Pro. It is the first Pixel phone to feature a triple camera with a ultra-wide and telephoto modules accompanying the primary shooter. At 1x1.31-inch image sensor in the latter is almost twice the size of its equivalent in the Pixel 5 generation and offers a 50 MP resolution that is downsampled to 12.5 MP for the final output image. Landscape photographers and other wide-angle shooters can rely on the ultra-wide module with the 16mm equivalent field of view, and 4x telephoto lens allows you to zoom into your subjects from a distance. It also comes with the LDAF laser detection autofocus sensor and LED flash. It can shoot 4K at 30 and 60 fps, and it is also capable of shooting the best selfie picture. With the DxOMark camera's overall score of 135, the Google Pixel 6 Pro puts Google back into the group of manufacturers that is battling it out for the smartphone camera crown, making the device, at least from an imaging point of view, the best option for Android users. Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Vivo X70 Pro Plus is the brand's latest flagship smartphone, going head-to-head with the devices such as Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max, Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra or Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The device is packed with the best components the industry has to offer and puts special emphasis on the camera. The rear camera features ZS certified optics and is built around a large 50 MP sensor behind a fast f1.57 lens. The 48 MP ultra-wide uses a gimbal-style stabilization system, and tele-duties are divided between two modules, featuring 2x and 5x telefactors respectively. With the DxOMark camera score of 135, Vivo X70 Pro Plus deserves a position in the list of best smartphone camera with a telephoto. The telecameras capture good detail across all tele settings, especially close and medium range. Target exposure is good, and a wide dynamic range means good highlight and shadow details even in the high contrast condition. Vivo X70 Pro Plus is capable of shooting video 8K at 30 fps, 4K at 30 and 60 fps, 1080p at 30 and 60 fps, and that is amazing. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset with a dedicated V1 image processor. iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro Max this time comes with a 1TB option and also a great cinematic mode. This mode relies on machine learning algorithms to automate the focus shift while shooting a video. It runs on A15 Bionic chip, the powerful layout in the smartphone industry, and also available in the exciting color that is new Sierra blue color. Apple's latest iPhone 13 Pro Max has triple camera setup. It comes with a 12MP wide-angle primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and it has a 12MP telephoto camera that offers up to 15x digital and a 3x optical zoom. It also has a 12MP wide-angle front camera along with a retina flash. In camera segment, many flagship smartphones from Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, Sony compete with iPhone 13 Pro Max, but iPhone 13 Pro Max offers the best quality pictures and quality video that no other phone offers. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes in two colors, Phantom Black and Phantom Green, and it is lighter, thinner and narrower than its predecessor. It has a comfortable grip for small hands and better portability too. The fingerprint scanner is mounted at the point where the thumb touches the device, which makes use even more convenient. It is made up of an Armor aluminum, which is the strongest aluminum used on any Galaxy phone. Its multi-active window split screen capabilities allow users to check their schedules while reading emails and navigate to the location of meetup while talking to friends on Messenger. Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the first foldable device to support the S Pen to draw or take notes by hand. Coming to the cameras, the phone features a 12MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.8 with the dual pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization. A 12MP ultra-wide camera with an aperture of f2.2 that comes with a 120-degree field of view, and a 12MP telephoto camera that comes with an aperture of f2.4 and with PDAF, dual optical image stabilization, 2x optical zoom and 10x digital zoom. It has two selfie cameras, a 10MP selfie shooter with an aperture of f2.2 and a 4MP sensor on the inside with an aperture of f1.8. This camera combination is just amazing, and you can use the cameras in many ways in this smartphone because it's a folding smartphone. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, comes with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. It comes with a beautiful 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. So these are the 5 amazing smartphones that comes with the best optical zoom that you can consider to buy in 2022. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.